Of course, today I am playing two of my workshop maps. Let's go start by... Do you want the raging one? Or no? I will do yours. This is the most raging. I'll give it second place for raging. First place, you might know it. I am bringing my friend to join the rage of party. Or no. I guess they have their own business, I guess. They want to join, I join by myself. Don't join this hectic map. Yeah, this is my third or second map. Or my first. Okay, this is good. This is not fun. You already know that. I mean, see that? That makes me want to rage and quit the video. Try my best. Try not to hit the enemies. Okay, we're just gonna skip this. Oh man. Oh man of rage. Many times. 6 minutes. If it lagged at the very tippity top, we're done. Okay, go, go, go. Oh no, if I touch. No, it does not. Those close. Actually, I put this backwards and I don't fix it, so I make it 100 times harder. Actually, no. Just try to win, dude. Look, I always look on first player. Try to go on the second layer. Thank you. And not fall. Not fall. Not fall. Not get eliminated. Ah, this is harder than I thought. I thought I am good at this map. How did I publish it? How in the world did I publish it? Like how? How? With no emails, it is not fun. Who thinks it? Like, how did I publish this? It was like a 1%. Not fun game. Let's see, this is my map. Yeah, this is kinda. We're good. Do not lag us, so we're good. We're fine. I'm not gonna win. Do not lag. Oh my goodness, that was so clutch. Oh, do not. It was like easy on this part, but now it's sometimes. Actually, not sometimes. Now it's actually hard. Get the checkpoint and do my skip. This is my skip. No! Here. Sometimes you will spawn inside of the layer like this. I have an idea. Go in the 4 blocker. Try to send up. That's not working. But it should work. Come on, try to do this again. It should actually work if you do it perfect timing. Or should I stop here? Or play the normal game? Nah. You have to do never mind. Never. 100 minds. Why am I keep spawning the block? I say that word. It's hard because guys, if you want to do this with the normal way. Yay! Finally! Oh my goodness. You should go for the skip. Oh, this is hard. What a holy thing hard. Oh yeah. Oh, this is a bit one. Did I think? No! go to the laser place. You might not know what split second. Do I bring my friend? I mean, not friend, my friend. Okay, they don't want to invite, so let's go. This is probably my second hardest map. The tower one, that's probably the third hardest map. I'm scared to play this one. Because instantly get out. I don't know. Well, what job in this map? Yes. Don't try. It says I actually have to survive so I can find the platform. Where is this platform? Where am I? I cannot see. Where am I? Tell me. The platform is right there. Do not mess this up. The platform. Oh my goodness. That was so close. Bye bye. I guess we're gonna play another one. Why is it lagging? What is happening? Don't tell me. Finished already. Quick. You gotta be kidding me. Good. Okay. Why not just end the video then?